Good day everyone. Today I and my teammates are going to talk on cyber attacks. The subtopics are: what is cyber attack? Why is cyber attack dangerous? The effect of cyber attack, how to overcome, and the conclusion. So for the first topic, a cyber attack is an assault launched by cyber criminals using one or more computers against a single or multiple computers or network. A cyber attack can maliciously disable computers, steal data, or use a breach computer as a launch point for other attacks such as CryptoLocker, WannaCry, and RubberDucky.
So, why is cyber attack dangerous? Now, let me bring you all understand the case study that we researched. The first cyber attack is called CryptoLocker and WannaCry. It is a kind of ransomware attacks. That first using the phishing email will make you click on the link and download some malicious attachment. In the end, all your file is encrypted, and the encrypted files cannot be read by humans. The second attack is called RubberDucky. It is a kind of spyware. The attackers will gain access to the victim computer and then plug in the RubberDucky USB, where it silently copies the sensitive files without notice by the victims. The last cyber attack is called Operation Aurora. It is a kind of malware which attacker will using a fake website that track user to click on the fake links. After click on the links, it will direct the user to the website and then start download malware into your PC. In the end, the malware will force the device to download another malware without notice by the victims.
Among all the cyber attacks that has happened in history, majority of it are for financial gain. One of the biggest effects of cyber attacks is the loss of data. Attackers will try to either steal or destroy data and information from the victims, such as sensitive personal information, financial data such as your credit card number, and etc. However, the effects do not stop here. Once the data has been stolen, it can jeopardize the victim's business, which then leads to reputational damage. Who would trust a company that has been hacked easily by attackers? For example, if I'm a customer and I know that your company's data has been stolen by other people, would I take a risk and trust you? Well, obviously the answer is no.
Hello, my name is Mohammad Faris and I will elaborate on the general steps on how to overcome and prevent cyber attacks. So the first and most common step is to always keep your software and systems up to date. As you know, most software nowadays have constant updates to patch the weaknesses found. These weaknesses can be exploited by attackers if proper precautions are not taken, and as a result, the attackers would wreak havoc on your systems. The next step is that you must also always remember to back up your data. This is because it is often good practice to back up your data, and this also provides a safety net to fall back on in case of a cyber attack that occurs on your network and systems. And lastly is that you must ultimately train your staff. Employee awareness is crucial as attackers would often target employees to gain access. All the defenses such as firewalls, antiviruses, and passwords would not work if the employees accidentally hands over the keys to the castle. That is why it is important to train employees to always be vigilant of known attack vectors such as suspicious emails and so on. In conclusion, as cyber attacks become more and more common nowadays, more and more methods are being devised to break into our system and networks. But this does not mean that we cannot defend ourselves by taking extra precautions to protect our data, our privacy, and ultimately ourselves. Thus, with a new awareness and general know-how, we hope that you'll take the right steps in ensuring your cybersecurity. That is all from us. Thank you for your time.